Hey, it's Tony, Dynamic Listings. I'm here at Wisconsin RV World, Madison, Wisconsin. Hey, today I've got this really great Minnie Plus by Winnebago. This is the 26 RBSS travel trailer, weighing in at about 9,900 pounds, fully loaded up. It's got a dry weight of 6,400 pounds. Overall length is going to be 29 feet 6 inches. So I recommend that if you're going to pull this, I recommend a 3/4 ton. A half ton can get the job done, but I wouldn't recommend taking it on a long trip with a half ton. Most half tons are going to be capped out at just under 11,000 pounds. So 3/4 ton is probably the right unit for this one. So this is a pull behind unit, as you can see. Now the overall length, I said it was 29.6. The overall height is 10 feet 10 inches, and you can see we've got the air conditioning unit up above there as well, adding to that height. Exterior color on this one is platinum, and I think it's a really interesting look to it because they've got this faux finish down on the bottom here that gives it kind of a textured look, but actually probably adds to the durability as well. And then you can see the diamond studding rock guard up front. Now we do have a solar plug, or it's pre-wired for solar. This cabinet here has our water management system and our spray hose, and we've got our power unit connector there. This is going to be a 50 amp service on this one. Take a look at this huge storage compartment, and this is an all aluminum construction underneath here. The doors are nice, they're all magnetic doors, dual locks on there, close it up nice and solid. Our power slider here, just got the one big slider here. You can control it from inside or outside. I recommend doing it outside just to be safe. Take a look underneath at the mechanics of it. So it's a really sturdy unit, but I always like to recommend being outside, clearing the inside, then being outside when you open these up. There's a quick look at your axles underneath. Now you notice we do have dual axles, and that's going to be a 15-inch cast aluminum wheel, electric brake setup. Tires are knee-deep in rubber. Couple great big windows here. They both slide open. That one right there is an emergency exit. They're privacy glass. Sliding windows here as well, so you can get that cross ventilation. Dive down and take a look at some of our water. So we're looking at a 50-gallon freshwater system, and then we've got a 69-gallon gray water system, and then finally a 28-gallon black water. Here's some more of those power outlets for the slide, and here's our 50 amp service here on the side as well. Really a nice looking graphics. I love the graphics on this, if you haven't figured that out by now. Full-size spare tire on the bumper back here. There's your ladder up to the roof. It is a walkable roof. Lighting, perimeter lighting all the way across the back. Kind of a dark brown with that platinum color on there. Scissor jacks down underneath, of course. Really nice solid 4-step aluminum retractable step there. It's a rear entry unit. We'll see how that plays out when we get inside. And then there's our power awning. It's going to be a 17-foot, I believe, on the Minnie Plus. Now this one, what's really great about it, it does have a heated underbelly, so your tanks are all heated, and it's got the extreme weather package. So this is good to go for the cold Wisconsin winters that are coming up really soon. Notice there are some speakers up above, exterior speakers. Here's our backer location for our TV, but we also have 12 volt here, cable outlet, plug-in right there. 3 windows down this side, so these 2 do open up. And then here's the opposite side of that cargo area we saw on the other side, so it feeds all the way through. Nice low to the ground, but a ton of space in there as well. And then we've got a sprayer up front. So I wanted to give you the full look underbelly if I can. And then we do have the power jack up front, a twin LP tank, I believe 30-gallon tanks up front, and a really great graphics package up here as well. And there's LED lighting here as well on the sides, so it lights up nice going down the road, but you also get that lighting at night if you're trying to load. Notice there's a light on the jack as well. So let's go ahead and jet inside and see what we can find. Okay, heading inside, the first thing you come across is the great room here. So the dining and the lounge and the kitchen and your entertainment center, all right as you walk in. But I did want to point out, we've got our thermostat over here, our command center. There's a nice storage cubby back here for your odds and ends. There's also one down here. So you do have a lot of nice places to toss your stuff when you come home. Fire extinguisher on the floor there. 6'9" ceiling right down the center, but it is arched a little bit. There's your heating and air conditioning vents, fire extinguisher, puck lights, and speakers for your entertainment center, all up in there. What do you think of the layout? I kind of like it. So on the left hand side, we've got two loungers with cup holders and storage. This is the slide out, so there's those windows I was talking about out there. There's a 12-volt outlet with USB ports. I love the valances above the windows. All those windows have shades on there, and they trimmed out that slider really nice. Looks great. Here's our dining area, so plenty of room for four for sure. Of course, that does fold down, so this is ideally it's for four sleeping, but I think if you had kids, you could throw a air mattress out on the floor and put a half a dozen people in here pretty easily. Table rises up and down. Cushions are super comfortable. There's more power outlets over in the corner there. There's also some additional storage down underneath here on both of these. I love the way it's trimmed out like a booth, and I like the fact that they have the rounded edges on the countertop. A lot of attention to detail. That countertop, it's not an exact match to the kitchen, but it looks really nice, and then kind of a residential style lights over that dining area as well. So here's the lounge seat and the view, the best seat in the house right here, kind of kicking back. So there's your TV up above, your sound system. We've got the electric fireplace down there, and then down here we've got our circuit breakers and our command center. We also have our forced air down on the bottom for our furnace. Really a nice looking entertainment system. Here's our fridge. Let's go ahead and open that up. Nice big fridge, that's for sure. And of course a freezer. Some nice storage down below that fridge as well. Let's see if there's anything in here. Sometimes I find dog dishes. Oh, it's just a storage compartment. Nice cook center here. So we'll start up top. Stainless steel microwave, stainless steel hood, backsplash, 3-burner stovetop cooktop. This is really a nice setup here on this one. Nice big place for your pots and pans down here. Plenty of drawers and storage. We've got access to our plumbing underneath here as well. Nice cabinets, wood drawers, all wood. I love this prep area, gooseneck, sink. Let's see, we've got a sprayer on there. Big stainless steel basin with 2 covers, 12 volts. Take a look outside, maybe get a little more sunshine in here. Glass cabinets up above with plenty of storage for your dishes. I like the pattern on these, looks awesome. Skylight just to add some natural lighting into the cabin. Let's head into the master suite. So this has a sliding door right here. That's a queen size bed as we dive in. And then there's wardrobes on the left and over on the right with storage cabinets up above. You can see these are quite deep. There's your reading lights, padded headboard. As I said, a queen size mattress. And then we do have storage down underneath here. That's your spare tire cover. Notice that's on a strut system, so you don't have to hold it up. And if you put it down, just drop it down like this. Drops into place quite nice. Overhead lighting, overhead ventilation, and your overhead vent there as well. So plenty of privacy in there. Nice size suite right up front. Let's go ahead and turn around. Kind of give you the lay of the land from the master suite. And then let's finish it off up front in the back here. So this has got a rear bathroom. So the bathroom's this entire area here, and you can see this is a sliding door, almost like a faux pocket door, and a nice big bathroom. Check this out. So there's the shower with the skylight, so plenty of ambient lighting, but also plenty of headroom. And these are those really great sliding doors here. Tucks it up nice. Foot flush stool. Love the vinyl flooring in this. The color, the style looks awesome. And then we have cabinets on the side, little coat hangers in there, or clothes hangers. So plenty of place for your towels, your linens, and what have you. These are all wood drawers too. Same countertop that we saw in the dining room, on the dining room table, stainless steel there. See, we've got some lighting over here, 12-volt outlets. Our vanity up above, 2 vanity. Take a look at that light, that looks pretty cool. So 2 of these with mirrors on here, and then towel bars as well. And last but not least, some storage down underneath here, and access to your plumbing as well. So it should be pretty easy to maintain this one with all the access, but it's a really spacious area. There's even a towel bar over on the wall here. So a nice large bathroom with a nice large opening. And I like it that it's right off the back door, because if you're camping with kids, they're in and out, and the bathroom's right there. They're not trouncing through the entire unit, you know, taking mud and what have you all the way through. Hey, if you like this particular trailer, this one right here, why don't you give Christy a call here at Wisconsin RV World here in Madison, Wisconsin. Her number's below, so give her a call, and Christy will work up a deal that you can agree to. This one's ready for immediate delivery, so no waiting on this one. If you like the video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, please. If you want more videos like this, feel free to subscribe. Questions, comments, or concerns, let me know in the comments. I'll do my best to answer them. This is Tony, Dynamic Listings. Thanks for watching.